What's up, guys? Will H, and today I'm finally getting a chance to unbox my Samsung Galaxy Gear. Now, I pre-ordered this on pre-order day. I pre-ordered the titanium silver blue, I think it's called. 2 days later, I decided to cancel that order and pick up the online exclusive titanium jet black. Also, I was able to pick up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 for 65 bucks. This is the green one, Bluetooth 44 millimeter. I'll unbox this in another video. But I picked up this, if you ordered online, they gave you an upgrade from the 256 to the 512. So this is 512. Now, I know someone that didn't get the upgrade like that. Thought that was automatic, but apparently not. But anyway, this is a 512. This has 12 gigabytes of RAM, if I'm not mistaken. It also comes with 16 gigabyte for, I think that's the 1 terabyte. I may be wrong. This has the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This has a 6.9 dynamic LTPO AMOLED display, HDR10 plus, 2600 nits of brightness, peak brightness, and 1440 by 3120 on the pixels. And this is Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2. That's a mouthful right there, guys. This is running Android 15, One UI 7. This has a 12 megapixel f2.2 26 millimeter wide selfie camera that can shoot 4K up to 60 frames per second. On the back of it, you're going to have a 200 megapixel, a 10 megapixel, a 50 megapixel, and a 50 megapixel. It's going to be wide telephoto, periscope telephoto, and ultra wide. And that's going to be able to shoot up to 8K at 30 frames per second. And you got a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. And this comes in titanium, silver blue, black, white, silver, and gray. Not all of those are called titanium. And then your online exclusives, you got titanium jade green, which would have been my first choice. My last two, the 23, the S23 and the S24 were the green color. Last year I didn't like that green too much, but it grew on me, and I should have ordered that one. The jet black and the titanium pink gold. So those are the colors. Here's the packaging. Here it is. Not much in the box. You guys know that, but just to take a look at it and see what I think of this. Now, I always like the S series, the Note series, which they don't call this the Note anymore, but we all know there's nothing in here. You get your paperwork, your charging cable, SIM card tool. That's it. So not really much to look at in here. So I'll put that back. And then here's the jet black. So first impressions, I thought it would be darker than that. And one reason I ordered because it has the the colors on the sides going along the rails on the side is the same color. So nothing else in there. Let's go ahead, put this back. Here it is. Here's your camera array on the back. It's a dope looking color, man. Let's get this stick off. I do like the color. Looks great. I don't know if it's going to be a fingerprint magnet or not, but here it is. Beautiful, man. It almost, I don't know if it's black. My eyes are a little it's colorblind here. Let's go ahead and get this off. So we're going to put this over to the side. And here it is. So very nice. Feels great in the hand. I do like the rounded corners now that they have on here. And here it is. So the display doesn't look as reflective. I don't know if they did something to it or not. But you got your 5G millimeter wave antenna, I think it's called. Look like a couple of mics up there. Volume up and down, power button. SIM card tray, microphone, charging port, speaker, and the S Pen. Now that's something I don't like. I don't like that it's not the same color. That is kind of goofy. I don't like it. But here it is. No Bluetooth capabilities with the S Pen this time around. And there it is. So beautiful. I'm going to boot this up, put my information in. We'll come back and take a look at the interface if I have any power here. There it is. So I'm going to get my information in. We'll come right back. Okay, guys, so we're back in. This is what it looks like fresh out of the box, guys. I have not changed anything, the wallpaper and everything. This is what it looks like out of the box, the setup and everything. So I do like edge to edge look here. Very nice looking, deep blacks. This is your Google feed or Google Now, whatever it's called now. Let's take a look at what's came on here. So Google stuff here, Microsoft, Samsung stuff. Got calculator. Do have Facebook, so that's considered bloatware. Netflix is already there. Spotify. You get YT Music, stuff like that. So let's go to the drop down. So here's your drop down. Looks pretty familiar here. Still Dex. I thought they had gotten rid of Dex, but Dex is still there, so that's pretty nice. Play music, media output, next nearby devices, smart things, stuff like that. Let's go into settings, and I want to look and see what you got. Google, Galaxy AI, call assistant, writing assistant, interpreter, note assistant. So a lot of AI features there. Let's go to the display, and let's see where we're at. Full HD. I want quad HD. I'm going to apply that. And I want to get rid of these buttons down here at the bottom. Let's take the screen out to 2 minutes. I like to put that there. Then the navigations, we're going to go to swipe. So that is that right there. And let's go down to the storage. See how much storage. I haven't added anything, like I said, out of the box. This is just, I want to see how much storage it is using out of the 512. So you got 479.1 gigabytes available, 32.9 are being used. So let's go to about. Let's see if we have a software update out of the box. The software is up to date, so no software update out of the box. Let's see what we're running here. So One UI 7.1, Android 15, and security patch December 1st, 2024. So that is pretty much it there, guys. Very nice so far. Feels good in the hand. Do like that they rounded the corners. I do like that I guess you can call this matte. It's the same color as the back of it. Not very many fingerprints. I do have lotion on my hands, and I just like the size of it. And it feels incredibly light. So let me compare it to a couple other phones. So here's my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, which my grandson will be getting. I'm trading in his 7 Pro XL. So here it is. This is 6.9. I think both of these are 6.9. I could be wrong. This could be 6.8. Here it is. Pretty much the same thickness. The Samsung a little bit wider and just a tad bit taller, look like it. Here's the back of it. This is a beautiful device right here. Both of them are really beautiful. And let's take a look at it next to my iPhone. Now, I didn't pick up the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Still using the 15 Pro Max. I didn't think it was worth an upgrade this time. I'll get the next one. But here it is. iPhone is definitely thicker, a little bit shorter. But here they are right here. And both have beautiful displays right here. This is incredibly light compared to these other two phones. So, but yeah, here it is, guys. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in the house. I got cases, screen protectors. I'll come back and tell you guys what I think about it in a few days or whatever. Here it is. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.